Welcome to the crossover event between Komori, Screen and the Postpress Alliance. Welcoming you here in special to the digital finishing line between MBO and Hohner. We are talking about crossover event, but we are also talking about crossover technologies, so we have crossover processes as well. The reason why we do all that is obviously we are living in a digital world today. This digital finishing line is delivering you solutions to decreasing circulation numbers in offset and offers you the chance to start your work in digital, where you have smaller circulations with variable contents, with permanent different needs. You can fit your line to your needs. You have many other options, obviously, that you can integrate into that line.
I'm standing next to the T50 on that MBO Hohner saddle stitching line. I'm standing here for a standard T50 with a flat pile feeder and 4 plates. And we have 2 main options here inside to perform the saddle stitch products. We have the option for digital saddle stitch products, which is a camera which helps us to detect the beginning and the end of the section. And we have an ejection gate here on the end of the line, which helps us to eject misfolded sheets and double sheets, because we don't want to stop, we want to keep in production.
Hello, I'm Sascha from Hohner, and I like to tell you something more about our line, the HHS-Futura. Like you see here with the MBO T50. There we have our plow fold unit. Here we read the first time the code, and then we know what to do with the paper. We count the sheets, we control every sheet, then we score it, fold it and gather it in the gathering unit. From there we give it to our chain and move it in our control section. There we double check the code from both sides, the first sheet and the last sheet. And only if everything is matching, we give the OK sign to the stitching unit. There's a third check. We check the thickness of the brochure. And after that, the length control. And then we go to the stitching unit. There we have the possibility to stitch with 2 or 4 stitching heads. The length wire was selected by the reading the code. From there we know how many sheets we have to stitch. Everything will change on the fly by full speed of 9,000 cycles. From there we go to the 90 degrees into the trimmer in feed. In the trimmer we also set the pressure of the belts on the fly. Depends on how thick is the brochure. There you have the possibility to build in a 2-up device for making 2-up production. And after that, with our conveyor table, we bring it to the last section, to the MBO.
I'm standing in front now of the MBO A80, which is a stacking device and is the enabler to use our Kobo stack, because the Kobo stack needs stacks. The A80 can run about 12,000 sheets an hour in single mode, and in shingling mode we can run much faster. Here we come from the A80 with the stacks through the paper bending unit directly to our Kobo Stack 30i. Here in the pickup station we pick up the product and make with the crisscross function stacks like that to eliminate the height of the spine. Here on our gripper we can handle stacks up to 250 millimeters with a stack weight of 18.5 kilograms. The Kobo Stack 30i is an industrial robot which has the advantage that he can switch into collaborative mode. In industrial mode we can run up to 500 packs an hour. We from MBO Hohner are proud to present you today this whole line in a good automated digital production way. We like to invite you to our next upcoming event.